Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add the home point on the Zapmap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the Add a Charge Point section you can find the third option, the Add Home Point. Click that, and you can add to just Charge, and you can add to Zap Home. Select one, for example, add to Zap Home, and you can add the name of the charge point and your home location, the address, the town, and the postcode. And if you don't know the postcode, just click to the square, so you don't know the full postcode, and click to the next step, and you can add different another information about your home point and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.